You got a pancake?
Oh, see that sound.
Oh boy. Baby and the pancake.
Oh, see
Oh no, what happened to the pancake?
see that sound.
Oh, that's nice and yummy now.
Oh, see that sound.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, see that sound.
I like pancakes.
Oh, see that
You like
sound.
pancakes?
Oh, see that sound.
What happened, Jack? Tell me what happened.
My dinosaur fell down.
Let's go see. You want to help? Go walk and you tell us what you see.
Tell
us what you see.
I saw.
Oops, don't cover the lens. Okay, tell us what you see. Take a picture of what fell. Go show us.
A dinosaur. Dinosaur.
Oh, your dinosaur. Let's see it. Oh, that's a really cool dinosaur.
A dinosaur, okay.
Check. Make sure it doesn't have any boo-boos, okay? Can you check? Check its little feet. Does its feet look good?
Yeah. A dinosaur.
Can you look... Can you look for Spider-Man and Mickey Mouse on the dinosaur?
No. No.
Not in the ears, huh?
No.
How about your ear? Who's in here?
Spider-Man and Mickey Mouse.
Really?
And this is found out too.
What happened?
I found out on the shelf.
Oh, it fell off the shelf? What about the truck?
Yeah. Yeah. That's okay.
That was a loud noise. Do you know what caused it to fall down?
Why?
The laundry. The washing machine went. Right?
Wow.
Can you make that sound that the laundry makes?
Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Dada, I saw that sound, Mommy. I saw that sound, Dada. I saw that sound.
What?
A dinosaur fell down.
Dinosaur fell down where?
What are you doing?
On the shelf.
What are you doing?
Oh.
Two wild dinosaurs rolling.
A noise. Oh, shit, that sound.